By Samuel Lee from Samuel R Tech, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a Microsoft account on Windows 10 or make a Microsoft account in general. So you'll need this for if you want to install Skype, Office 365, maybe you have a Windows 10 computer where you need to sign in, something like that. Even OneDrive on your phone, tablet, whatever. But before we continue, all your opinions are my own. Microsoft's not paying me for this video. I, my father, who pays for Office 365, is a subscriber or pays a year annual fee for their service. But Microsoft never paid me or given me any money. I have no association with Microsoft other than using their software and my father paying for the annual subscription for 365. So let's continue and I'll show you. Alright, so what you need to do is, oh there's my mouse, my resolution's gone a bit mucked up, so you've got to trust me. You need to open your web browser. I'll fix that. I'm just in my bedroom because my main setup's a bit of a mess. Now open here, so there's Star Trek, the resolution's a bit off, but you look up Microsoft. This also applies to Android or a mobile device, but it's easier on a computer. So, and now you need to go to the top one. Now you need to go to Microsoft account, sign in or create an account. Then you'll hit the create an account. I don't know what the age restriction is, but my advice is the older the better. Um, and be truthful with your information. Don't give false information. Um, I've had friends and family give out false information and issues happen. Yeah, and they'll catch you if it's like something really off. So now create an account. All right, I'm gonna use my Yandex, which is my Samsung Tech, Samsung Tech Yandex.com. And what I like to do is when you type in an address, is add to dictionary. I'm really sorry, my resolution is all over the place, and oh yeah, no, don't show password. So you get a code from your emails. So what I'm going to do is um, be back and I'll get the code. Okay, so I'm in my emails now. So what you need to do is for doing your to get your verification code, you need to go in your emails, make sure it's a valid account, and don't use those 10-minute mail accounts. And you need to find it. So it's 3167. So you need to do that. So just copy it, right click, copy, just copy it. Now type in the verification code, which you got in your emails. Click verify. Now you have to do the captcha, just to verify you're human, not some robot, like Lieutenant Commander Data or Law, someone. Uh, Alright, we finally did it by the looks of it. I don't need glasses, but I feel like my eyesight's are deteriorating a bit due to technology, but I think we've done it. Alright, so we're in. So we made the Microsoft account. we're in. So you can add some extra information in, like birthdays, whatever I said earlier, which I highly recommend just for make a bit more legit. But what you need to do is in settings, home, look up account, your account info. Here's where you can sign in for an account, for your Microsoft account. But anyway, I'm Sam. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helped and see ya.